Just outside the city of Guadalajara, in the peaceful town of Zapopan, stands Casa LG, a home designed to live in harmony with nature. Built on the grounds of what used to be an old equestrian club, this space has been reimagined as a modern residence that blends calm architecture with the natural landscape. Designed by Dosorozco and LASSALA Estudio, Casa LG speaks a language of raw minimalism. The architecture embraces honesty, using basalt stone, raw plaster, and wood not as decoration, but as materials that quietly reflect the textures and tones of the land around it. Everything here feels intentional, grounded, and timeless. This 383 square meter home was created as a long-term residence for a young family. On the ground floor, you'll find the bedrooms, kitchen, dining area, and a warm, inviting family room. Upstairs, a private study, service areas, and large terraces open up views of the surrounding landscape, inviting moments of pause and reflection. One of the most beautiful features of this home is the swimming pool, shaded by a vibrant tabacan tree. During certain seasons, the tree bursts into color, adding a splash of red and orange that contrasts with the home's earthy tones. The gardens gently wrap around the house, blurring the lines between built space and nature. Light is a central part of the design story. During the day, sunlight filters through the home, casting shadows that shift across the textured walls. At night, soft, warm lighting takes over, carefully placed to make each room feel intimate, calm, and alive. Inside, the design stays true to the minimalist spirit. There are no flashy elements, only carefully chosen details. Furniture by Estudio, hand-sculpted stone lamps from Dendron, and pendant lights by Raphael Weber all work together to add layers of character while keeping the space refined and quiet. But what truly makes Casa LG special is the craftsmanship. Local artisans played a key role in bringing the design to life, especially in the handmade outdoor lighting and the tactile finishes that give the home its warmth. It's a reminder that simplicity doesn't mean soulless. It means thoughtful, human, and connected. At its heart, Casa LG is a home that chooses serenity over spectacle. It strips away the unnecessary, letting space, light, and texture speak for themselves. It's architecture that feels honest, calm, purposeful, and deeply in tune with its surroundings. This is more than just a house, it's a reflection of a way of living. A place where design meets meaning, where everyday life is embraced with beauty, simplicity, and respect for the land it stands on.